How's it going? Welcome back to my channel. This week I'm excited because I'm going to get stuck back into this engine here for the RX-8. Reunion's been and done. It was a awesome weekend, but now it's time for this one. Enjoy. This car held up well on the weekend. Only problem is I can't be bothered cleaning all the shit out of it. Oh, that's what the weekend's for. So first things first, I've gone ahead and I've actually moved this manifold down a touch. I've actually just turned that around a little bit that way. It was too close to my intake there, so hopefully that's better, but just looking at that, it's going to be awfully close to my pulley. But that's all good. So I have managed to get my hand on some stack gear bearings. That seemed to be, well, the worst thing that was wrong with this engine. The rest of it was pretty tidy. So I'm just going to go ahead and recycle as many parts as I can on this engine. I've always called it this engine's not going to last that long, or if it does, I'll be stoked, but I'm not willing to spend a lot of money on this one. At the end of the day, I do want to go a hybrid engine. But yeah, so plan is to change these bearings out in here and go over the rest of the engine, assemble the rotors, and then look at stacking this probably tomorrow night now, and fingers crossed get this engine back into that car on the weekend, and then I can carry on and start fabbing my alternator bracket for over here. I may buy one, or I may make one, not sure yet, and then I'll start sizing up all this sort of stuff for like the water pump and just where everything's going to run. I'll be able to see if this is going to work and then carry that on and so forth. All right, we'll get into it. So you may be able to see it, but I've got a bit of wear on this bearing here, right there, and where are we on this one? Just in there. See, it's worn through. But these rotor ones, they're like new. I know I should be changing the whole lot, but budget wise, I'll just use these. So those are the replacement bearings for the stack gears. I'll get these pushed out now, put those ones in, and then I'm just going to give these a quick clean up. There's not even much carbon build up on these. They're actually in really good shape. And then I'm going to try and assemble the rotors tonight. And then, as I said, yeah, stack this. I'm really looking forward to that. All right. Done. Wasn't much to it. They all line up sweet as in the little keyway thing there. So happy with those. And yeah, these are the old ones. Yeah, seen better days. Oh, that's where my thing got caught up on it. But yeah, that one there is pretty shit house. But no, that's cool. So I'll go ahead now. I'm going to reuse my old Apex seals, so I need to glue those back together. Check over all my springs and whatnot. I'll probably assemble all these tomorrow now. The can't be arsed factor's kicking in pretty strong. Okay. Sweet as, I've got everything I need here. These are all my old parts. Apex seals have all been glued together. Everything's counted for, so I'll stack these tomorrow. Get it all into the rotors. These just need a little clean up. I'm not going to get too carried away with them. They're pretty clean as they are. But start stacking that tomorrow. Should be good. Well, it's been 2 days now. Just got back from that Cars and Coffee event, so I need to do something on this. I've just been so lazy. I need to get this car out so I've got more room, and I need to find homes for all of this stuff. As I said, I've been really lazy. Much more room for activities now. Just noticed this here. It's not water, it's oil. Don't care. It's all good. So I'll pull my engine stand out now and then start going through it. So almost ready to go. I just got to put my front stack gear back in and start going. Oh, I haven't done the rotors yet. Shit. Oh, well, they shouldn't take too long. I just have to do it as I go. What a pain. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get this rotor all assembled, dump it onto here, throw my E-shaft in, and then just start building from there. Should work out all right. Everything's still nice and clean. It's been covered up with tape since I painted them, so it's all good. That should be mint. So doing this one a little bit different, I'm going to put the rotor down first before the housing comes on, just so I can line these up. There's nothing worse than pushing your apex down and it jams on the bottom corner seal. So this way I can make sure they're still in line before I do it. But so far so good. Made it to the center line. This is all good, all sealed up. Apex seals went in sweet as. Got some lube down in there, so everything should be fine. Just want to take a last look at those ports. Yeah, they're quite big, these ones. Hopefully it works out. This is the part I'm most nervous about with this engine build, but oh, got to try it, I guess, eh? Okay. Just got the center line sitting up on the dowels. Just got to make sure everything is sitting where it's supposed to in there. Water seals look mint. Got plenty of silicone there. Got the little O-ring up on this top dowel. Yeah, it's ready to close up. So I've got it built up to the second rotor now. Got the water seals into this housing. It's all siliconed up. I just need to, once again, just double check that I'll be able to get my bloody apex seals in, because I've done it before where they didn't line up And yeah, I was not happy. It's all right. And how are you doing? Yeah, sweet. All right, I'll go ahead, put this housing on, and we're almost there. All right, just need to take one last look at it. I'm just about to close it up. Seals are all in good. You see the bridge down there on that port. Where are we? See the exhaust ports all opened up there. Mean. All right, I'll close it up now. This one. Yeah, that porting's all been done pretty good. Close it up and then I'll torque it back. So she's all torqued up now, but I did have a shocking moment. I was just sitting here looking down the end of this. This is not a manual E-shaft. I did have engine pieces sitting up on top of that cabinet there, and I had a bin there. Just went and had a look through that bin now. What a dumbass. So this was a spare E-shaft I had sitting around. This is the one that actually came out of that engine. As you can see, it's got the pilot bearing in there. I'm pretty sure you can just put a pilot bearing in here and that's not really a major problem. But the only thing I'm worried about now is my end play. But I'll check that. I might just need to change the spacer on the front stack. But yeah, what a dick. So I'm still gonna go ahead and stack this front. Then I'll put my dial gauge on there, see what my end play is, and if it's too much, I'll just go and order a different spacer for it. I'm pretty sure they're easy to get. I don't really want to sit there and grind one down because it'll be squonk and cause a whole lot of issues for me, knowing my luck. Okay, where is all my front stack? I honestly can't remember when I took this engine apart. It was a while back. Okay, come on, get on there. There you. I might actually oil this up a little bit. Where the hell is that going now? Oh, there it is. Okay, bearings on. Get the cover plate on. Gotta torque these to a certain spec. We're just gonna do it by feel today. Good enough. Now, put that on there. Where is my counterweight? Oh, shit. Man, that pisses me off about that bloody E-shaft. A lot of dingle nuts. Keyway. And where's that last bit? Sweet, that counterweight's in there. Tighten this up, and then yeah, as I said, it'll be good to check the end play. So just got my dial gauge set up now. What do we got there? 0.6 or 0.7. What do we got here? End play, 0.04 to 0.07. So that's right on the cusp. But it's still better than I thought it would be, so we're going to carry on running it. That's about all she wrote for today. It's all back together. I'm absolutely spewing about that E-shaft. I had all intentions to put that engine back into here tomorrow, but no, that's not a go now. So I'll wait until Monday until Mazda open, get the pilot bearing, put my clutch on, then it's good to go. Just looking at that, I think with my belt on there, that's fine. So there's only one more thing to do. I haven't actually tried to turn it yet, hopefully. I think, oh, that's all right. Mean. Okay, so I don't know where I'll end this video. I don't know if I end it now or I do go for the stabbing on Monday. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it here for today anyway. I'm pretty stoked it's all back together. It looks pretty good. I'm quite happy with it. So it's one step closer. So yeah. So Sunday now, and I thought about this last night and still kicking myself about that pilot bearing or about that E-shaft, but I will need to get a new one probably tomorrow, and I just need some silicone. I seem to have run out for the sump, so I will be putting this engine into this car during the week. I will film it, but for now I need to get rid of all these, oh there you go, all these water hoses and whatnot. It's been a while since I've looked inside here, but just need to get rid of all these coolant hoses, get anything out of the way that's going to be a pain in the ass, and hopefully by the end of this week that will be sitting in there. Anyway, that's the end of this one. Thanks for watching. Still can't believe I did that.